Hello, today we will guide you through how to set out of office status on Slack. If you're heading on vacation, stepping into meetings, or just away from your desk for a while, setting a clear status helps teammates know what to expect and how best to reach you. Start in the Slack desktop app or web browser. From any channel or direct message view, look to the bottom left corner of the screen for your profile area. You'll see your avatar and display name there. This is your quick gateway to personal settings. Click that profile area to open a small panel with options related to your account. In the panel that appears, choose Update Your Status. This opens a status window where you can tell colleagues you're out and for how long. A status combines an emoji with a short message, and it shows up when people hover over your name, mention you, or open a direct message with you. It's a simple way to set expectations without sending a separate note to every person. Now pick a preset sample that fits an out-of-office situation, or type your own message. Keep it friendly and specific, like out of office, back on Monday, and consider pairing it with a clear emoji, such as a palm tree or airplane. Short, direct wording helps colleagues quickly see your availability. If there's someone covering for you, you can mention a role or team rather than sharing sensitive details. Before you finish, set how long the status should last. In the same window, you'll find the option to choose when Slack should automatically clear your status. Pick a time frame that matches your return, whether that's later today, a specific date, or a custom duration. This prevents stale information from lingering after you're back. When you're happy with the message and duration, click Save. Your status becomes active right away. You'll notice the emoji next to your name, and others will see your message when they interact with you in Slack. This visual cue helps reduce follow-up pings and sets a professional tone around communication. A quick note for clarity: setting a status doesn't automatically pause notifications. If you truly need quiet while you're away, you can also use Slack's notification controls to limit alerts during your absence. Pairing a clear status with the right notification settings ensures your time away is respected and your colleagues have the context they need. That's it. You've set your out-of-office status, given colleagues a clear timeline, and kept your workspace informed.